Hey guys, everything double S over here. Today I'm gonna do a test that the Ipod Nano has a problem nowadays with the home button. As you can see, I can't press it. It's just, as you can hear the sound. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a test now, and I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna teach you how to fix it. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna show you. Okay. You gotta open the screen. First of all, you need a hair dryer that you hair dry the in front part of the screen, so for it to pop out, because my screen has been opened one time, so I'm opening it. From the home button, from here, open with the left side of the screen. You can see when you open it, it pops up like this. Okay, open and as you can see, the screen has popped out, the LCD has been opened, and I'm going to keep it aside. And now I'm going to tell you all should get this screw, 3-in-1 electronic screw. Okay, from here you can see the screw. As you can see, upon opening the screw for a box, okay, I'm using the latest way to open it. Okay, and I'm going to put the smallest pin. About this small. Okay, it's quite small. Putting it in the okay. Now the LCD has been popped out. I'm gonna take out the screen. Okay, first of all, now we gotta do this. Okay, this is really important that you all should see, and don't make any mistake with this. Okay, upon opening the one, I'm gonna show you. Okay, the next one, you're gonna open this next Phillips screw down here. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. Okay, got it. Keep it safely, as I am keeping it in a white table so I can be seeing it. Okay, and open upon the Phillips screw. Okay, checked. And next I'm gonna pop out the LCD dashboard. Okay, so watch this clearly, guys. Don't make any mistake, because I know what will happen if you make a mistake a little bit, because I have got mistake and I changed the whole display of my, and pop it up. Okay, take a look, guys. Don't make any mistake. Pop out from the side here. Don't ever pop out near to your digitizer, please, guys. I'm telling you, because I have got this before. And just safely remove it and keep it aside. Okay, here you got your battery, your processor, and other stuff. So first of all, you gotta open your battery. Okay, this also, please guys, watch out for this. I have Okay, the next of all, you gotta open 3 screws over here. Okay, this is the important part. You gotta create a screw. I can't open the screw now. This screw I can open with. Okay. Okay, after opening it, you need another screw that's called this example. Okay, sorry about my flash, it's just straight, and I'm gonna pop out the metal over here. As you can see, this metal over here has been opened after opening the screw up, so I'm gonna open it. Okay, and as you can see, I created a SIM card. I cut a SIM card that's so tiny that is inside here, but I can't show y'all it. You should just create it and just push it inside the home button, because if I do it now, seriously guys, it's so long. Okay, I'm done. I have done the home button. Now the home button is working, and I'm gonna place back the screw, and we're good to go. Yeah, okay, it's done. And put back the button inside over here, and then take this stuff over here and push it in, and then take the screw, then push it inside and screw it back in, and then take this next screw it back in, and all the stuff. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, once that is done, just as you can see, this button is over here. I know it has some problem. Just what you should do, press it in. Watch carefully guys, press it in and push it next over here, and you're done guys. Okay, my home, I need to do it back because I know it's my brother, he does some stuff with it. Okay, so that's all guys, and your iPod nano will be working, and that's all for today guys. Peace.